born upon the hill, though I am being born still. I was carried down into the river valley. On a big bend on the Arkansas, I was raised upright, was I raised upright? It depends on who you ask about me. People talk, but they don't know. When they tell me that you want to call it home, they say, yes, oh buddy, I've seen that surely too. But they don't know what it's like to feel like the world is wrong and the nature's real, rolling down Lotus Hill. Ozark, another rainbow, Ozark paradise, twice as nice as any other place. Ozark, the misty mountains, Ozark, running springs, it's high above watch the river flow the way it does, watch the river flow the way they do. So connected to you. When I was young, I didn't understand. I'm older now and I've seen the land. Ozark, please forgive me my trespasses. I've been around, I've seen the way everybody everywhere got the same. Ozark's just so beautiful, it's my ass. Ozark, end of the rainbow, Ozark paradise, twice as nice as any other place. Ozark, a misty mountains, Ozark's running springs, it's high double L, B-I double L, I think. Watch the river flow the way it does, watch the river flow the way they do, so connected, so connected. Ozark, end of the rainbow, Ozark paradise, it's twice as nice as any other place. Ozark, misty mountains, Ozark, running springs, it's high double double. Close, not quite, but there we are. That's close enough for me. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Sore Fingers back with you again with a song probably a lot of you won't have heard. It's a song called Ozark, and it's by a gentleman called Jesse Wells. He was an American singer-songwriter who sings about life in general, growing up and problems in America, etc, etc, sort of thing. Apparently he's very big on TikTok. It's got about 1 million plus viewers on TikTok. So, anyway, this is a song that's I think it's quite a nice one to play, and so I thought I'd do it for you. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and come back in a couple of days for the playthrough. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye for now.